What if we started with something way over the top, like Facilitator Cards? Not just a tool, they're a way of life.
Yeah, I think that's a bit much.
Okay. What about Facilitator Cards? A deck for you, not your participants.
Ooh, yeah, I like it.
You can use them for planning facilitation agendas, responding to your group's needs, improvising when things go sideways, or getting on the same page with your co-facilitator. It's a deck of 60 processing tools. Write your notes directly on the plastic, waterproof cards, and erase when you're done. Facilitator cards are an easy, creativity-inducing way to make trainings, workshops, presentations, and meetings interactive and engaging.
To make these cards, we need to place a minimum order of 2,000 decks, and we simply can't make that happen without you.
We've been working on this project for over 2 years. We've done all the research, we've found a manufacturer, we've lined up all the details, and now we're so close to making them real. And while these Moo prototypes are nice looking, they're not the real thing, and we really want to use these cards in our own facilitation, but we can't do that without your help. So please, back this project, share it with your facilitator friends and colleagues, and let's make these a real thing.